Hi, I'm Gary with Gary's Sprinkler Repair Service, and I'd like to give you a quick tip today. One question I get asked quite often is people will call me and say, hey, I've got a section of my yard that won't shut off. I think my timer might be bad. Is that correct? And I say, well, go turn the timer off. If the sprinkler valve keeps running, odds are it's not a bad timer, especially if you unplug the timer. At that point, you know the valve has no electricity and it's continuing to run anyway. You just have a bad valve. Hopefully that quick tip to help you out, and I look forward to helping you some more in the future. If you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button down here in the corner and tap the bell so you can be notified when we have more quick tips. Take care. Hope that helped you out.